Hey space explorers! What if I told you that Mars may hold the key to our survival? This dusty, red world isn't just a dead planet, it might have been alive once. And guess what? We could be living there sooner than you think. Stick around, the secrets of Mars might just blow your mind. Mars, the red and fourth planet from the Sun, might seem small, but it's packed with surprises. It's about 228 million kilometers away from the Sun and only half the size of Earth. Despite that, it has some of the most extreme features in our solar system. Mars has one of the tallest volcanoes in the solar system, Olympus Mons, standing nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. And if you thought the Grand Canyon was impressive, wait till you see Valles Marineris, a canyon that stretches 4,000 kilometers, 10 times longer than the Grand Canyon. Imagine standing at the edge of that. Mars isn't just about size, it's about endurance. A Martian day, which is called Sol, is just 37 minutes longer than an Earth day. But a year on Mars is 687 Earth days. You would celebrate your birthday only once in 2 years if you lived on Mars. How would you feel about it? Comment below and let me know. Did you know Mars has 2 moons of its own? They're called Phobos and Deimos. But unlike Earth's moon, these two are tiny and oddly shaped, more like asteroids. Phobos, the larger of the two, is slowly spiraling toward Mars. In about 50 million years, it could either crash into the planet or break apart, forming a ring around Mars. Deimos, on the other hand, is drifting away from Mars. It's like watching 2 cosmic dancers moving in opposite directions. One coming closer, the other drifting into the dark. Now let's talk about the wild weather. Mars' atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's. Mars' atmosphere is made almost entirely of carbon dioxide with just a hint of oxygen. It can't hold heat, so temperatures swing from 21 degrees Celsius to minus 37 degrees Celsius in just one day. And if that wasn't enough, Mars has planet-wide dust storms, some last for months. Picture getting caught in one of these, with no visibility and red dust everywhere. Would you stay inside, or venture out and explore? Here's a plot twist: Mars wasn't always this dry. Billions of years ago, Mars likely had rivers, lakes, and oceans. Scientists believe water is still hiding beneath the surface and in polar ice caps. If Mars had water, could it have had life? That's the big question. Some researchers think microbial life could still exist underground, waiting for us to discover it. Wouldn't that change everything? We're not just guessing, we've sent robots to Mars to search for clues. Rovers like Curiosity, Perseverance, and Spirit are exploring ancient riverbeds and craters, looking for signs of past life. Perseverance is even collecting rock samples for a future mission to bring back to Earth. But here's where things got even cooler. In 2014, India's Mars orbiter mission Mangalyaan made history by reaching Mars on the first try. And guess what? It cost just $74 million. That's less than many Hollywood movies. Talk about outsmarting the big players. If that doesn't inspire you, I don't know what will. Let's hear it for ISRO, the space agency making Mars exploration affordable. So what's next? NASA, SpaceX, and other space agencies are planning to send humans to Mars in the 2030s. Imagine living in a Mars colony, growing your own food, and watching Earth rise in the sky each day. Would you sign up to live on Mars? It could be the greatest adventure of your life, or the toughest challenge you'll ever face. Mars may be dry and dusty now, but its secrets are far from over. If you loved exploring the red planet with me, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around, because next time, we're diving into the biggest planet of our solar system, which can fit 1,300 Earths in it. Jupiter. See you soon.